Every generation, technology leaps forward, led by people striving to change the world for the better. For more than 30 years, API has been changing the manufacturing world through our innovation and technology, pioneering laser-based equipment and other advanced metrology technologies. As the inventor of the laser tracker and 6 degrees of freedom laser interferometer, API is the metrology sector benchmark for global technological innovation. But now, we're changing the way the world sees us. Automation, precision, and innovation may be our mission statement, but those words are also our values. And while our branding has changed, our vision remains the same. We invite you to join us in our endeavor. See how the new API will strive to continue improving manufacturing processes globally and help you understand there is nothing beyond measure.